How to add a debit card to the Western Union app. Let's go through it step by step. First, open the Western Union app and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard with options like Send Money, Receiver, Payment, and Review. Now, to add your debit card, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, go to Profile and check if there's an option that says Add Debit Card. If your version of the app supports it, you can simply tap that, enter your card details like card number, expiration date, and CVV, and then hit Save. If you don't see that option, no problem. You can still use your debit card when you're sending money. Just start a new transfer, choose the amount, and when you get to the payment method screen, select Debit Card. Enter your card details there, and the app will charge your card directly for that transaction. That's it. Your debit card is now linked or used for sending money through Western Union. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.